and welcome. Today we're going to be making banana bread. First, let's grab our ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of mashed banana, which is usually about 4 bananas, 1 2/3 cups flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 large eggs, 1/3 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1/3 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Now, take a moment to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, because nothing is more annoying than having your stuff ready to bake and then having to wait several minutes more standing around awkwardly in your kitchen, thinking about your failure to do the most simple of tasks. Start with mashing your bananas. When it comes to making banana bread, you'll want your bananas to be really ripe and soft. You can also peel them when they're still firm and then freeze them, which will break down the starches and make them soft to mash once they're thawed. But that requires premeditated intent to bake, and you're probably here because you have bananas rotting away in your fruit basket and didn't want them to go to waste. Next, add your wet ingredients. If you did plan ahead, great! You probably have softened butter ready to go. If not, don't worry. Just melt it in the microwave and pour it in. For this recipe, it makes absolutely no difference. Now it's time for the dry ingredients. Add the flour last, stirring as you put it in a bit at a time. Eventually, you may want to give up and dump it all in because this step is tedious. Once the batter is fully mixed, lube up a pan with butter or cooking spray and fill her up. Bake at 350 degrees for about an hour. The time will vary based on your pan size and your specific oven. The bread pan I use is pretty deep, so it takes my oven about an hour and 5 minutes to cook through completely. If you can insert a toothpick and it comes out clean, you'll know you're good to go. Cool for at least 20 minutes before enjoying. Or don't, I'm not the boss of you. Enjoy!